Okay, another feature that we have in the Vytec is the ability to do pre-dive planning just like you would with an RDP. So by pressing mode to get to 3 mode and cycling to sim and pressing mode to get to 2 sim and then scrolling to sim plan, I can go ahead and press this and get myself into the sim plan mode, and now by pressing down I can go ahead and scroll my max depth down and see what my no decompression time will be for that dive. Now I am in nitrox mode, so on a 32 mix to 100 feet I can stay for 27 minutes. Okay, I need to be in nitrox mode to do this planning before entering, or if I was doing a dive on air I would need to be in air mode. I should also make sure that I've gone in under the set dive nitrox mode and modified my mix to make sure that I've got the right mix set in there for a nitrox dive. Again, if you're not nitrox certified, get certified before using this feature of your computer for your own safety. Okay, quitting out of here will bring me back to the main screen.